Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you a potential solution for fixing GE fridge. As you can see, the freezer temperature is showing 60 degree Fahrenheit and the refrigerator is 67 degree Fahrenheit. That's clearly not it's a fridge meant to be. Um, so I'm expecting the problem is with the defrost heater and maybe the thermostat as well, but I'll show it on the video. But in the meantime, what I also want to show you, the phrase model number is CSS25USWC, and this is the model number I found it, and I looked into the parts. The parts I'm gonna need: the defrost heater, that's actually WR51X10055. It's in Canada. It's roughly $72. I bought it from Amri Supply. They had it on stock, so I just went there and grabbed it. Um, this is the GE equivalent genuine OEM. Actually, this WR51X is the equivalent of OEM product WG035, excuse me, F00771. Either one of that product should be good. It's basically the same product. All right, so I'm going to dive into the fridge now, and then I'll show you guys how to take each parts off and uh, where is where is the heater. So GE model number is CSS25USWCSS. It's the freezer is not getting any cold at all. All the ice melted up. Hopefully it's the defrost thermostat, which is located behind there. Behind here.
Give the light. No, this is not the same thing.
The cover was very difficult to take off. You have to maneuver on this side. Looks like there are a lot of frosty. Many of those are actually melted down. Right, Eva? So now you need to take this off. Actually, before that, okay, I will. These are the connections. The other one. It looks like it's burned down. Look at the black. See? Both sides. Yep, it's burned down. I don't have a heat gun today, so I'm using my wife's hairdresser.
So here is the temperature sensor. I have one of the sensor. I'm just thinking about should I change it or not, because that's the thermostat, and I was planning to change that as well, but I couldn't find that part in the store today. It's coming tomorrow. I'm ordering online, but I'm probably gonna wait with the temperature sensor at the same time to change with the thermostat. Right now, I'm just gonna change the defrost heater underneath there. So this one is the old one. You can see how I'm expecting it's burned down here. You can see also this corner also got melted. So yeah, something is not good. And look at the new one. We're gonna change this one, and then we'll see if it solves the problem. If we'll run it for today, and if it still has the problem, then tomorrow I already ordered the thermostat that's gonna come in tomorrow, which is this one, as I said before. And when I change the thermostat, or if I change the thermostat, I'm gonna change the temperature sensor at the same time as well. I just connected this side. Just make sure which way it was before, and do it like that way. I think in our case, this side head, it was supposed to be in the outer side. So it's two clips going in here. Yep. And then okay, these are the two. Okay, so two nuts needs to be, two bolts needs to be there. Okay. The thermostat, it stays with this clip. There's the another sensor I'm gonna change. There's one more sensor here. I have three sensors, but I think this freeze has four sensors. One in here. I'm gonna change the upper side as well. One below, but this portion gets quite a bit cold, so I'm not gonna change this one. I'm gonna change this one, and then this one, and also this one. And I'm gonna also change the thermostat as well.
So guys, as you know, I have changed the defrost heater. This is the old one. You can see it's kind of burned down. Uh, and I was expecting the problem will be solved. So as you can see, it's the fridge is working now towards what it should do, but it's the freezer temperature is still 13, and it's it's working towards on what it's supposed to do, but it's still not good. It's not freezing stuff inside. It's if something is already froze, it holds it, but it's not freezing it completely. So I already got the thermostat in my hand now, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it. In the meantime, I just wanted to share with you like what's the parts number I used. So for the thermostat, this is the parts number I used, WR50X10068. You will find this one more common, but if you looked into GA's website, you're probably gonna end up with the equivalent product as 69. But I checked it and did a little bit more research, and I found like 68 and 69. They both should they're very much similar, and they both should work at the same. Also, okay, so this is where the thermostat is, and I'm just gonna cut those two uh, wires, and then I'll make a connection there. And this is the temperature sensor, the white one. I'm gonna change that as well. In total, this fridge actually has four temperature sensors. I'm going to, I found three of them uh, like in online and in store, so I'm gonna change actually three of them. And the other one, I see the temperature sensor on the Refrigerator side, the bottom one, it's getting cooled, so I'm gonna keep that one and I'm gonna change the other three, and hopefully that will solve the problem. For the temperature sensor, your parts number should be this one, WR55X1025. I again bought it from Omni Supply. They're pretty good. So basically, this is how I made the connection. I used some nut connectors. You don't have to. If you tape it properly, I think it should be good. And actually, I think I should have done it in here because it's really tight spot there. But I still did it because I just did it. I had it in my hand and I did it. I'm not going to show you the other temperature sensors that I changed, but they're pretty easy to change. So I changed that on around 3 p.m. Right now is uh, 11 p.m. and I think the fridge is working nicely, or it's better than before. So this should solve the problem you guys if you guys are having issues with your fridge, and it's actually basically the same for most of the GE fridges. Sorry, GE fridge, those are French door. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, um, ask me in the comment section. Thank you.